guys, welcome to Manu's All-Rounder channel. So today I prepared the next mock test. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and also do like and share with your friends so that they can also practice the test perfectly and become perfect in the subject. So we are going to do the test of diversity in the living world chapter of the biology 11th NCERT textbook. So let's get started. So the first question, match the items in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. So option 1, A herbarium, B key, C museum, D catalog. So column 2, it is given first option, it is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. Option 2, a list that enumerates methodically all the species found in area with brief description aiding identification. Option 3 is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on sheets are kept. Option 4, a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternates which are helpful in identification of various taxa. So you have to match option A with 1, 2, 3, 4 and all those things. So here the options are given like option A, A1, B4, C3, D2 and option B, A3, B2, C1, D4. Option C, A2, B4, C3 and D1. Option D, A3, B4, C1 and D2. So give your answers correctly. I am not giving the answers at this moment. So at the end of the video, I will be providing you all the answers. So you give this as a test. Okay. So next question. Match the column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification and select the correct option using the codes given below. So column 1, they given option A family, B order, C class, D phylum. And in column 2, first is diphtheria, second arthropoda, 3 Mucidae and 4 is insecta. So option A is given like A3, B1, C4, D2 and option B A3, B2, C4, D1. Option C A4, B3, C2, D1. Option D A4, B2, C1, D3. The label of a herbarium sheet does not carry information on option A date of collection, B name of collector, C local names, D height of the plant. Give your answers correctly. So next question. So 4, nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Option A, the names are written in Latin and are italicized. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. Option C, biological names can be written in any language. Option D, the first word in biological name represents the genus name and the second is a specific epithet. So the next question. 5th, which one of the following is not a correct statement? A, museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. B, key is a taxonomic aid for identification of specimens. C, herbarium houses dried, pressed and preserved plant specimens. D, botanical gardens have collection of living plants for reference. I am not providing the answers because you should give this like a test. Okay. Next question. 6th one, the common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their. So what is common between tomato and potato? He is asking in which level. So A, family, B, order, C, division and D, genus. So next question. ICBN stands for A, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, B, International Congress of Biological Names, C, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, D, Indian Congress of Biological Names. I think you know everyone this answer because it is the most frequently asked question in NEET. So next question. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? So option A, tiger, tigris is a species. Option B, cuttlefish mollusca is a class. Option C, horns primata is a family. Option D, horsefly musca is an order. So the next question. One of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that option A, they provide a beautiful area for recreation. Option B, one can observe tropical plants there. Option C, they allow ex situ conservation for germplasm. Option D, they provide the natural habitat for wildlife. So what is the functions of botanical gardens? So next question. Sentence 1. Which of the following is less general in characters as compared to genus? Option A, species. B, division. C, class. D, family. So if you need a more time, you can pause the video also. Next question. 11th one. The book Genera Plantarum was written by A, Engler and Plant. B, Bentham and Hooker. C, Bessie. D, Hutchinson. So next question. Taxon is the unit of a group of A, order. B, taxonomy. C, species. D, genus. You know this answer, I think. It's very easy. So please note your answers in the paper so that you can check your answers easily at the end of the video. So next question. Linnaeus is credited with a binomial nomenclature. B, theory of biogenesis. C, discovery of microscope. D, discovery of blood circulation. So next question. The term phylum was given by A, Cuvier. B, Haeckel. C, Theophrastus. D, Linnaeus. So next question. So 15th one. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of any rank is a species, genus, order, taxon. So what is it? So next question. The very easy question. A taxon is a group of related families, a group of related species, a type of living organism, and a taxonomic group of any ranking. Very simple questions and most frequently asked in NEET. So the next question. 17th one. Basic unit or smallest taxon of taxonomy or classification is option A, species. B, kingdom. C, family. D, variety. So the next question. 18th one. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called mononomial. B, vernacular. C, binomial. D, polynomial. It's very easy question. So the next question. So the term new systematics was introduced by A, Bentham and Hooker. B, Linnaeus. G, Julian Huxley. A, P, D, Candle. The last question. Static concept of species was put forward by A, D, Candolle. B, Linnaeus. C, Theophrastus. D, Darwin. Okay, now it's time to reveal your all answers from 1 to 20. So guys, these are your answers from 1 to 20. So do check your answers and comment me in the comment section that how many of you got 20 out of 20 correct. And I am giving you that definitely in these questions you will be getting one question in the NEET. So these are frequently asked questions of NEET. So do give the test perfectly. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you will be getting all notifications regarding a mock test. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also practice the questions. And if you need the answers simultaneously with the questions, please comment me so that I will be providing the answers at that time only, and I will be providing the timer to answer you. So not like this at the end of the video all the question answers. Okay, thank you.